everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a very long time since I last uploaded a video. I really apologise for that. However, we've been having so much like house renovations and I've been confined to one room in the house, so it's made it really difficult for me to be able to film. And kind of everywhere's just a mess, so it was really difficult for me. It's still currently like that, but thankfully I have my dressing room back, so at least I can film in here, hence the change of scenery. But as you can tell from the title of this video, it is going to be a Zara haul. Now I also have a confession to make as well. So I ordered these pieces, gosh, around 3 weeks ago, and I have already worn some of these pieces out. However, due to the house renovations and stuff, I just didn't get around to filming the haul, and also it means that I accidentally missed the returns deadline for Zara, so anything that I wasn't going to keep in this haul will be uploaded on my Vinted account. Everything is brand new with tags, and I would love it if you would just go and check out my Vinted if you're interested in any of these items that I say that I've listed on my Vinted account, because that missing the returns deadline was just so annoying. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you what I got. There's a bit of summer stuff, a bit of winter stuff, a bit of everything, just because we're in that kind of transitional season now. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I kept on the little skirt that I was wearing at the start of the video just to show you this outfit. So the skirt is still available on Zara. I got it quite a while ago and I have worn it quite a bit to work and also just for nights out and things. It's just such a great staple skirt, and I know I don't wear much black, but I've got to tell you, I'm falling back in love with black, especially when it's like kind of statement-y pieces. So I have been wearing this skirt non-stop and I thought it would pair perfectly with this little top. So this is new from Zara. It is just the most cute little top ever. I love the tulle detail at the top here, and the kind of ruched bodice makes it super figure flattering. It's kind of like corsetry inspired. I just absolutely love it. It is so flattering, and yet it's not too uncomfortable. The only thing that I would say is that there's a bit of tulle under the armpit which can get a bit scratchy, but I don't really mind it that much. But this top was $29.99 and I got it in a size small. It fits perfectly. There's a little bit of room in there so it's not too uncomfortable. And I think the price is quite good. It would make the perfect kind of date night or dinner top. I just think it's so cute and unique as well. It's just like that kind of statement top. You don't have to think too much about the outfit, and yet you look super cute and dressed up. So yeah, this is definitely going to be one of the pieces that I will be keeping, I think. We'll see at the end of the video how much I would like to keep, because I can't keep all of it. It was just so expensive and I've now missed the returns deadline. But I do really like this top, and I think I will keep it, especially because it goes so beautifully with this little skirt, and it's very different for me. It's something that I don't really have in my wardrobe, so yeah, it's definitely a winning one. Okay, here is the next item, and this is like the most gossip girl item that I saw on the website, and I was just like, I have to get it. It reminds me so much of Blair Waldorf. I just can't resist trying pieces like this, and it is so cute. I love how it has the two little bows here. This is how you do it up. It's just 2 ribbons and you tie them in 2 bows, which is really cute. I've kept the top on that I was just wearing underneath, because I feel like you do need a top underneath this, because underneath the bows there's nothing if you just wore it without a top underneath, so I feel like it does need a top. But I quite like how this has turned out. It's really pretty. I got it in a size extra small and it was $59.99, so a little bit more expensive, but that's what they kind of charge now for their blazers, so I don't think it's too unaffordable. The only thing that I would say is I've got really narrow shoulders, so the shoulders are kind of coming off. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see, but it kind of comes off my shoulders a bit, like my shoulders end here and the shoulder pads kind of end here, and I think it just makes my shoulders look a bit funny, but that's only because I've got really super narrow shoulders. So unfortunately, as cute as this is, I'm going to have to sell this one on. But it's so adorable, I just wish it would fit me. Oh, it just reminds me of Blair so much. How cute. Okay, next couple of pieces. Now, I thought this would look really cute together, but now that I have it on together, the lilacs don't quite match. However, I do love each of the pieces individually. The top, I mean, I don't have to say it, do I? It is so extra. I absolutely love these kind of tulle sleeves. I think they're just so pretty and unique. I think with your hair in a little bun or a little ponytail and just with a pair of like white shorts or a white skirt or something like that, this would look so cute. It can be dressed up or down. I think the neckline is so flattering. This v-neck really does kind of add a really nice shape, and you can wear a nice little necklace or something like that. But yeah, overall I really like this top. I love how it's so flattering here as well. The ruches and the ruffles really add that really nice bit of interest, and of course I just absolutely adore the colour. Let me see what size I got. So the top I got in a size extra small and it was £29.99. A great price I think for a top like this, which is quite a statement top, but equally it's not too out there that you couldn't wear it to loads of different things. I absolutely love this. I will definitely be keeping it. The perfect summer item. It's just such a shame that I've left it till the end of summer to get it and for it to come out. But yeah, the shorts I also really like. They're a great length, the perfect shade of lilac. They are so pretty. I love that they're structured. They fit nice on the waist. I mean, they're a little bit big, but I think they fit quite nice. I got these in an extra small too, and they were £25.99 I think, which is a great price for shorts like this. You'll get so much wear out of them. They're just really easy to throw on. They'll look great with white tops and things like that. They're just so pretty and super easy to kind of walk in. They're not too short that like your bum's hanging out or anything. They're great. They're a great length. And I like that in shorts, because sometimes Zara's shorts are way too short and it's just not flattering. For reference, I'm 5'1" or 5'2", and I'm a UK size 4 if that helps. But yeah, I will definitely be keeping these shorts as well. The only thing is I did buy accidentally two of the same pair of shorts, so one of them will be listed on my Vinted if you're interested in them, but I really recommend them. They're very flattering and I love the colour. Okay, here is the next item of the video, and as you can tell, this is just absolutely massive on me. It is so unflattering. I think this would look so beautiful on you if it fit you though. I got this in an extra small, but I would say that this would maybe fit like a size 8. It is very big. My plan was to wear it with a little roll neck underneath in autumn. I think that would look so cute with some knee-high boots or something like that. I think it would just make it so much more versatile. But it's just way too big. It's too big on the bust area. It comes down way too low. It's too big on the waist. The length is okay, but it's kind of like quite far down from my crotch area. It just doesn't fit the best. And it was £49.99, so I'm definitely going to be selling this one on. But yeah, I would recommend sizing down if you're in between sizes. It comes up quite large. I do wonder whether if I put a belt round it would look any better, so I'm going to give that a go. I mean, that's it with a belt wrap round it. I don't think that it looks better at all. I think because of where the pockets are placed and the buttons going down the front, I just don't think it looks right with a belt, so I just don't think there's any way that I could actually wear this, but I'm definitely going to be selling it, and it is such a gorgeous piece if it fit you. Like I said, with a roll neck underneath or even a little pussy bow blouse, that would look really cute in autumn. But obviously on its own as well it would look cute, but it just doesn't fit, unfortunately. Okay, next outfit, and I love the pairing of this outfit. So whenever Zara bring out these really pretty organza tops, I just can't resist to buy them. I just love the way organza looks. I think it's super flattering and girly, and it always makes such a statement. So this top is really pretty. It's kind of got like boning down the front here, and the ruching, which is super flattering. The sleeves are puff sleeves, which are my favourite, and it's not really itchy at all either, which I really like. I love the little polka dots. It's so cute, and it's in the perfect neutral colour to go with so many different things. $32.99, and I got it in a size extra small. It fits quite nice. The only thing that I would say is that at the bottom it doesn't stretch as much as you think it will stretch, especially because it's got the kind of stretchy back panel. So it's quite hard getting over your boobs, but once it's on and it's fine. But yeah, I got it in a size extra small and it fits okay. The price is quite good as well. I think it was like $29.99, which isn't bad. And it is such a pretty top. The only thing is, I don't think I would ever wear tops this cropped anymore. It's just not something that I'm comfortable with, and especially with high-rise skirts. If I'm wearing a high-rise skirt and it's still showing a little bit of belly, then I get a bit uncomfortable, so I don't think I'll be keeping this one. So this will also be listed on my Vinted. It is so pretty. I just wish it was a little bit longer. The skirt as well is a little bit big around the waist. I love the colour and I love this pairing together. And I love the fact that it's shorts as well, so it's not gonna, you know, you're not gonna show your bum off to the world. I love how Zara do that with most of their bottoms. And the two little slits are really flattering as well. It's such a fun outfit, but I feel just quite revealing, like it's quite revealing. But yeah, it's so cute, but I'm gonna have to sell this one. Okay, so here is the next couple of pieces, and I am in love. This skirt I have now in the black and the white, and now I've got it in the pink. I was so happy when I saw Zara came out with it in the pink. It's just such a flattering skirt. It's so easy to pair with so many different things. You can wear it with tights on its own, like you can wear it for loads of different seasons. And it's shorts as well, so you're not going to show your bum off. I just love it. It's just such a simple skirt, but it's just like such a statement piece in my wardrobe. Like, it's such a staple. So I have it on with this beautiful ruffled bodysuit. I absolutely love this. I think this is probably one of my favourite items of the video. I think it's so beautiful and elegant. And I just love these ruffles. They are just so statement. And this is going to look gorgeous, I think, even with a wide pair of oh my god, what a pair of white wide leg trousers or a white little mini skirt. I think it's just so pretty. And it was only $22.99. I think that is amazing for a little bodysuit like this. It's going to be so easy to dress up, and also it's kind of like autumn appropriate as well, because it's kind of in this knitted ribbed fabric. I got it in a size small and it fits quite nice. I mean, the body's quite long, but it doesn't really bother me, because as I mentioned, it is a bodysuit. And yeah, I got the skirt in a size extra small, and I think it was $29.99, and I will definitely be keeping both of these items. I just absolutely love them. And yeah, I just think it's so fun and pretty. It's definitely one of my favourite pieces. Like, how okay, so I thought I'd just show you this little skirt that I got as well. This is just a plain white pleated skirt, and I thought just whilst I had the bodysuit on I'd show it you. I actually had quite high hopes with this little skirt, just because of how much I like my other white one that I have from Zara, and I thought I thought the pleats would be a really nice little detail, but it just doesn't fit as nice as my other one. It's quite big on me, and I don't know, I think it makes me look quite, I don't know, like too sticky outy, quite wide at the bottom, so I'm not sure I love it. I'll have to have a little think. I mean, it is cute and it is like quite a simple timeless piece, but I'm just not sure it's that flattering on me because it's a little bit big. So yeah, I'll probably be selling this one on, but I thought I'd just show it you with the little bodysuit, because how cute does the bodysuit look with an all white outfit. I definitely cannot wait to wear this outfit out. Okay, so this was one of the items that I was super excited to try. It's this gorgeous little sateen kind of style structured yellow coat. And I saw this and immediately thought of Jenny from Gossip Girl, and I was like, I have to try it, I have to. But unfortunately it is just way too big on me. The shoulder situation again, but I'm so upset because I think I would have really liked this. I think with a little like summer dress underneath it would look so cute, and I just love the pop of colour. I love the kind of material of it as well. I think it's very luxe, and it's such a shame that it doesn't fit. I'm so upset. But yeah, this will be listed on my Vinted, but it is the most Gossip Girl Jenny coat that I could have ever found. I just wish it fitted. In terms of price, I think it was around $59.99 or something more expensive. Oh, okay, it was $79.99, so I would definitely be selling this coat, but I'll probably sell it for around £40 to £50. But yeah, I think it's really sweet. If it fit, I would definitely keep it, but unfortunately it's a no. I think I got it in a size extra small as well, so I can't even... Yeah, I got it in a size extra small, so there's no sizing down or anything. Not that I can now that I've gone past the returns deadline, but it is such a sweet coat, so unique, but yet like really classy as well. I think it's super classy, a great coat for spring. But yeah, I'm so upset. Item of the video, and it is of course this little black dress, and we all know why I got it. It is the most Blair Waldorf dress you have ever seen. I have actually worn this dress out quite a few times. The minute that I received the Zara parcel, I took the dress out, put it on, and I was just like, yes, I feel amazing in it. It is just so pretty. It's kind of like this kind of jacquard material. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but it's got a little bit of shine on there. There's a little bit of a pattern. It's very structured. There's boning up here at the front, so I don't even have to wear a bra with it. I love the balloon hem. It is just so pretty and unique. You can never find dresses like this. So trust Zara to come out with the most amazing pieces, and I just of course love this massive statement bow. You could always take it off and just wear the dress as it is, but I'm not going anywhere without this bow on this dress. It is just absolutely beautiful. But yeah, definitely my favourite item of the video and the best one to end on. So because I have worn it a million times already, I won't be selling this one. I will definitely be keeping it. If you are interested, it was $59.99, and I think I got it in a size extra small, and it fits really nicely. The only thing that I would say is the bow is a little bit tighter than I was expecting. But I just think it looks so cute, and I feel so pretty in it. I feel like my inner Blair is really showing through with this dress. And I've worn it to countless date nights, and I will definitely be wearing it very soon as well. So I just love it. I don't want to take it off. I just think it's so pretty. So unfortunately that is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my Vinted to shop the items that I have decided that I would have returned. I will be selling them for a lot cheaper over there, so definitely go and check out my account before you go shopping on the Zara website. But yeah, let me know whether you would have kept and returned the same things, and that's all from me. I'll see you next time. Bye!